mower. I am going to be riding this thing again for the part 2. I'm going to be getting a better ride on it. Broken rear end on the mud mower out there when I was riding it. The dirt bike, yes, I saw y'all did get me to 30 subscribers, so you know I'm going to jump the dirt bike. My first time ever jumping this thing. I mean, I've jumped it like every once in a while. Like, I'm really going to send this thing. Like, I might break a leg, might break an arm, but I just got to fix the throttle, because if I pull this out right here, it's my throttle cable. It broke, so I'm going to have to buy a whole new throttle cable. And you come up under here, there's this tiny little, these 2 screws down here, right there. Hold on this whole compartment, and then once I get those out, that'll come off, and this thing will be ready to roll. But that's not what we're doing today. Today we're riding the Honda, ripping the Honda. If y'all didn't see the last video I made, I did jump the ditch with the Polaris. You only got to see that if you stayed, like, you watched all the way to the end of it. But hopefully y'all did. It's about to become a big rainstorm though. It's about to rain, so I'm just gonna hurry up and go ride. When I'm talking like it's about to rain, literally the wind's blowing, like the rain's coming, but it's whatever. Alright. Honda ripped good yesterday. Not gonna be taking it too hard on the Honda, guys. The joint that's up there in the Honda, I think it's a little about to break, so we got another one in the shed. I'll be making a video on us fixing that, but just gonna ride. Making videos every day. Guys, if I get well, we got to 30 subscribers, so that was my goal by the end of this month. So thank y'all everybody that did subscribe. Share my channel, guys. We got to get my channel glowing. I did just get back from the dentist, so like it's not really fun talking a lot. So if I'm not talking a lot in this video, sorry on that. We're just gonna go ahead and start off this day with a full send and take the Honda through the ditch. We're gonna be making a snorkel soon for the Honda, just so you don't have to worry about no water problems. That's somebody else. I think the Honda's low on gas, guys. Alright. Let's go ahead and put her on reserve. She's low on gas. See how deep this is first. think that was the deepest I've ever took the Honda. Oh gosh. So if y'all don't know how to actually do this one trick with the Hondas, it's pretty easy. So if your Honda, like say you're in this spot that I am right now, get off and show y'all real quick. Say you're in something like this. Alright, say you're in something like this, right? And your front tire's not wanting to spin at all, you know, even if you got full drive, locked in, and you don't have diff lock. So I'll show y'all. Should I do it again? So right now, this tire's spinning. This one's not. Easy way to do this is hold your front brake down, right? And then give it gas and watch that front tire to start spinning. Now that front tire is turning, it's turning the entire bike. So you just hold your front brake down, and then when the front tire starts to spin, you let go of it, and then it'll start spinning them again. See, right now it's not spinning. I'll hold that front brake down. See, now it's spinning, guys. I'm holding the front brake down. Now let go of it. Just a little trick for some people that may not have known that. I don't have the other camera view. Hunter, y'all know him. He's my cameraman. He rides this Honda while I ride the 850. And that's kind of, you know, Hunter's usually cameraman, so y'all are gonna be first person this entire video, guys. Now you're usually gonna see like the both views on the weekends. Over to one side, hold up. I bleed the brakes. Oh gosh, guys, the rain is coming in. Y'all want to see some more group rides with me on the 850? Maybe Hunter on the Honda, my friend on his 570. Just more group rides of us going to, you know, we can go through mud. I know a spot down the road from here where my friend lives. They got trails down there. I'm gonna get a video on those trails. They got some water holes, just some mud over there that I'm gonna be going through. Might have a group ride on that soon. Y'all stay tuned for that video. Manual, dude. Manual shifting is so much better than auto. When you have the option to do manual, I recommend it. Turn over a Gatorade bottle. Woo! We just drifted that thing so hard. Alright guys, just make sure y'all like and subscribe and share my YouTube, and go check out all the other videos, especially the video before this, because that was actually a really good video. Watch the entire thing. You'll actually see the part where I jumped in the ditch in the other video. But yeah, I'll catch y'all guys in the next video.